So we realized that this video is a shopping trip to Harbor Freight and a trip to the Lego store so we can build our own Lego family, inspired by our friends Tim and Erin, and lunch at Taco Bell, because all those...
We were hungry.
Yeah, we were hungry. All those stores happen to be in the same direction. So if you're in for a shopping trip and some good dialogue, then please watch. If you're looking for us to actually build something other than the Lego family today, maybe watch a different video. It's January 1st, 2019, and we gotta get ready for some new projects. So we're going to Harbor Freight.
Even when you're pushing the shopping cart?
I don't know, what do you think?
Will you hold that?
Sure.
Can you?
Yeah, I can do it.
With this one hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go. Into Harbor Freight. Into Harbor Freight.
You might want to walk.
Yeah, I think I want to walk. Where?
Corner clamps?
Okay. First.
You lead the way.
Think we go this way? You lead me because I don't know where it is.
All these wonderful clamps. Where are the corner clamps? I found the clamps. Look.
Yay! I see them! I see them!
Oh. They have two. We wanted to buy 4. Oh well, we'll get these 2. What do you think?
I think it will be good.
I also got some bits and the batteries are going to be free.
Mm-hmm.
What else are we
Oh
getting?
yeah!
We got to get the light for the shop.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Like these teeny tiny clamps! Oh, I didn't put glue. There's some glue. There's some glue. There we go. I didn't put glue that time.
Are you happy with the purchases?
I'm happy with my little clampies. I'm happy with these little clamps. I think I want to use them for playtime. I'll pay some of the things, okay?
Oh, you're going to pay.
I'm going to pay.
Amazing. All right, we're done. We did it. We got our stuff.
To the Lego store. Lego.
Looking for Lego. Have you seen it yet, Jillian? Haven't seen it yet.
Look, here's Lego.
This is it. We did it. We found it.
We found the Lego.
Is this a good time to tell people to ring that bell icon? Do you think that's a good joke? Thanks for watching Shawn and Jillian build. And please consider ringing that bell icon. This video is not sponsored by Taco Bell. We just happen to be having lunch there. Do you want an orange cream pop?
Sure. Yeah?
Lego bag. How do you know it's a Lego bag?
Because it has a Lego brick on it. And you know how you spell Lego?
No, how do you spell Lego?
Let me see here. E-J-O.
We're in line at the Taco Bell.
This leg has to stretch really, really far. And this leg has to stretch really, really far. Yeah, see how far they're stretching? Ooh. Come back, buddy. Come back.
Taco Bell line's really long.
We're moving. We have to move.
And we're parked again.
Do you think the rescuers work at this cafe? I think they do. They work at almost every restaurant. They just don't work at one restaurant. They work at everything except for one cafe. That's all the way in Japan. No people, just birds. Dada, I want to drive this car when I grow up.
You can drive this car when you grow up. All right, we're gonna enjoy our food. So it's actually a month after that shopping trip, and we realized we never shot footage of what we actually bought. So who are these people, Jillian?
This is me.
Let's see, Jillian. Oh, that does look like you. What are you holding?
A pretzel. Dada.
I like it. That looks like me. What am I holding?
A squishy. A squishy. That is holding a squishy.
Hilarious. Who else did we make?
Baba. Here's Baba.
What's Mama holding?
A pizza. Here's Dee Dee.
She's got a palette because she's an artist. We gave her sunglasses too. Pretty good. And then we get one last thing. Oh, look at that little pup.
Do you see his teeny tiny tail?
Oh, so teeny tiny.
And his teeny tiny ears?
So teeny tiny. Amazing.
Little tiny eyes?
Amazing.
Little tiny nose? Little tiny mouth.
Obviously, we got all this at the Lego store.
And it teeny tiny legs. He's a tiny little puppy.
So I'm replacing the fluorescent light that I have with an LED light. As you can see, this light works. But over in this side of the shop, the ballast, I've tried replacing the bulbs. I think it's something wrong with the ballast, so I'm going to replace that entire fixture. Basically, I'll take the fixture down and replace it with this so that I can plug in the light in the ceiling. And there are those bits that I got. And of course, Jillian's mini clamps, shown here with her screwdrivers. All right. Now you've seen what we got at Harbor Freight. So we'll see you next time when we actually do things with this stuff, right?
With the stuff?
No, maybe not the Lego. Certainly the Harbor Freight stuff, though.
Why not this little pup?
I don't know.
And Jillian.
What?
Jillian is walking her dog.
Let me see Jillian walking her dog. Yep, that's what it looks like.
And Dad is coming with her.
That's a great little scene. All right. Bye, everyone. You want to say bye, Jillian?
Bye! 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 He said bye.